Hello, class. Today we are going to learn about something very special. We put special things inside and open them many years later.
Oh, wow! I want to make one too!
Yes, this is gonna be so fun!
Mom and Dad are going to help us make our own time capsule.
What should I put inside? I have so many ideas.
Mom, Dad, our teacher said we can make a time capsule at home too.
A time capsule? That sounds wonderful, my sweet children.
Of course we will help you gather special things for it.
Can I put my teddy bear inside? I love him so much.
Look what I found. This metal box will be perfect for our capsule.
This is a photo of me when I was a little girl with my parents. We were so happy that day at the beach. I want to remember this forever.
This was my favorite glove. I played baseball every weekend with my dad.
Wow, Dad, that's so cool! I didn't know you played baseball.
Look, Mom, this is Mr. Fluffy. I sleep with him every single night. I want to put him in the capsule so I can remember my childhood.
Look, Dad, I won this trophy, and I drew pictures of me as a soccer player. When I'm big, I want to play soccer for a real team, like Messi.
We have so many wonderful memories to choose from.
Each one is so special. It makes my heart so full.
Oh dear, this lid won't stay down no matter how hard I try.
The box is too full. We have way too many things inside.
Oh no, what do we do now? I really want to keep everything.
We need to pick just one special thing each. That's the only way.
That's a good idea, honey. Each person chooses their most favorite item. Each of us will choose one item to keep. Our memories will still be safe.
This way, our time capsule will fit perfectly, and everyone is happy.
I think Mr. Fluffy is the one I love him the most after all.
I'll pick my trophy. It's my favorite thing I've ever won. Dear future me, I hope you are a great soccer player and very happy.
Dear me, when you read this, I hope you still love Mr. Fluffy.
Dear family of the future, thank you for all the love we share today.
Dear my future family, I hope we are still making memories together.
Now our memories are safe inside this box forever.
This hole is just right. Now our capsule will be safe underground. Here it goes. Our memories are going to sleep in the earth now.
Hurry, Dad, I want to put our memories in the ground.
In 10 years, we will come back here and remember this special day.
Now we will always remember where our memories are sleeping.
When we open this, I will be so big, maybe 18 years old, like a grown-up.
You will be so beautiful and smart, my darling. I can't wait to see.
I hope I'm a famous soccer player, and maybe I play in the World Cup.
You will be amazing, son. I believe in you completely.
We promise to come back together in 10 years and open this capsule.
No matter what happens, we will always remember this special day.
We
promise
we will be here
together.
I love our family so much. This is the best day ever.
Me too. This is gonna be so cool when we're older.